Hello treasures, so in today's video we are making plantain pancake. So yes, we're using plantain flour again, and here I have my 1 cup of plantain flour. This is homemade plantain flour. The video of how I made this is in my channel. I will also leave it in the description box below. So to make this, we'll be adding half a teaspoon of baking powder. I have here 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, 2 full tablespoons. You can also use liquid milk. I have 1 cup of water. We might use more, I don't know yet. Let's continue. And then I have the oil I'll be using for both frying and adding in the mixture here. We're using 2 eggs. I have 2 eggs here. I have 1/3 teaspoon of nutmeg powder and some chili pepper, about half a teaspoon. You can add more or less. You can also skip this if you don't want it spicy. So we'll go ahead now and mix everything together. This is just a simple recipe, simple pancake recipe. The difference is that we are using plantain flour instead of all-purpose flour. So I'll quickly start by mixing the dry ones first. I'll just add the flour, the baking powder. You can also add salt if you want to, but I don't want to use salt. The milk, in no particular order. The pepper, the nutmeg. Mix, mix, mix. You can add any flavor of choice. You can skip the nutmeg and use any other flavor you have available. Next, I'll add the eggs. Some of the oil and water. I'm not adding the water at once. Let's mix it first. You can also decide to mix that one first before adding it. You can also decide to mix the egg and the water. If you're using liquid milk, to mix it first, beat it first before adding this. You can also add everything in your blender and mix it there, or your food processor. You can also use your hand mixer. Anything that will just be easy for you, you can use that. Guys, we forgot one ingredient. They would have left this for only me to eat. I did not add sugar, so I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sugar to it. We'll mix together. So we'll continue to mix until the sugar dissolves.
A sprinkle of thyme, a dash of peace.
Okay, we'll now start frying it.
Summer breeze, chopping sounds in harmony. Kitchen tune so heavenly. Soft piano keys like simmering stew. Warmth in every melody. tender themes. Whispering flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spices rare. A calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen where joy is found. Steam rising like a piano sigh. Golden crust, soft notes fly. Each corner dish, each key a spice. Cause your kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon.